guys, so I got my Subaru Ambassador gear, so let's do unboxing. So first we got the Subaru Ambassador hoodie. The color gray. Next, ooh, what's this? Open it. Got a water bottle. Next, polo shirt. Wow, there's a lot in here. And we have this. Let's open it. Ooh. That's nice. So I got two of those t-shirt. Next, another gray Subaru Ambassador hoodie. Let's open it. And I guess this is mine. Oh, I love it. It's so thick. The material. And the inside is fleece. So it looks like this. And it has pockets. Here, the front. Next. Oh wow, is this sticker? It's a sticker. I have 3, oh no, 4 and 5. Also it says here, thank you for being a Subaru owner. I am loved. From Subaru. And last one, I got a bag. This is nice. Okay. That's it for Subaru unboxing. Bye!